Welcome back, viewers. In our ongoing journey of transforming data visualization, today's focus is on redesigning the line and bar charts, unlocking new features and creative techniques for a more visually compelling and insightful presentation. Now, let's shift our focus to redesigning the line chart. In the bottom section, we have various aspects of sales data, including sales by region, sales by month, and sales performance by different teams. These visuals not only showcase sales and quantity but also provide insights into total sales last month, month to date, and total sales current month, month to date. To enhance clarity, I'll start by making the cards slightly smaller and repositioning them. I'll separate the visuals, ensuring a cleaner presentation. By aligning the cards appropriately, we can create a more organized layout. To improve the visual coherence between the sales by region and sales by month charts, I'll employ a few strategic adjustments. First, I'll eliminate the background and borders of both charts to create a seamless integration. This will be complemented by minimizing the titles, making the visuals more compact and visually connected. Additionally, I'll carefully align the charts, ensuring a smooth transition between them. As a temporary measure, I'll introduce a rounded rectangle background shape to enhance the visual unity of the sales by region and sales by month charts. I'll align this shape with the charts, adjusting its rounded corners to a more subtle 10% for a polished look. The chosen gray color, with added transparency, gives it a subdued appearance. Ensuring it sits at the bottom layer, I'll remove any lingering borders, contributing to the cohesive integration of the visuals. To ensure it's discreetly positioned at the back, I'll verify its placement in the selection pane. In our line chart enhancement, we've introduced smooth lines for a visually appealing design. By adjusting stroke width and incorporating markers, we ensure a clear representation of data points. Additionally, exploring area chart transitions adds a dynamic touch. Let's refine our bar chart by enhancing data labels. We introduce a placeholder strategically positioned above the bars, serving as a canvas for detailed insights. As we navigate through the data section, exploring the bar chart folder, we encounter the label placeholder, initially set to -1. To set the groundwork, we carefully place this placeholder above the parameter, ensuring its seamless integration into our chart. This step is crucial, as colors might shift during the process. The magic unfolds as we replace the placeholder value -1 with dynamically generated measures. Our label sales by region measure takes center stage, showcasing region names and year-over-year percentage growth rates. To further refine, unnecessary y-axes are disabled, and we make subtle adjustments to size and positioning. Now, let's dive into the details of the label sales by region top measure. This measure plays a crucial role in our analysis. It checks the chosen parameter, sales or quantity, and returns the region name with a bit of spacing. Moving on, it calculates the year-over-year percentage growth rate for both sales and quantity. To enhance clarity, we decide to exclude the raw values from the display. So, we remove that part of the measure to keep the visualization cleaner. Then, we shift our focus to another measure that solely showcases the year-over-year growth percentage. This was not always possible, but with recent enhancements, we can now use this data for data labels. Now, moving on to the data labels configuration. Within this setup, we have the series placeholder and the details section. Turning on this feature, we open the detail options to add the data we need. Here, I'll select the previously mentioned measure, and here are the values. Let's enhance our data labels by positioning them inside the bars. To achieve this, we navigate to the formatting options and select the data labels section. Focusing on the sales aspect, we specifically target the value. I opt to place it inside the bar, near the end. Additionally, I choose black color for the font, make it bold, and set the display to show values in thousands. As we conclude, get ready for our next video on redesigning the new card Sparkline for improved sales performance visuals. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more insights and analytics. See you in the next one.